Okay, so do you guys know what this is? For those of you that's married to a Thai person, you will know that this is Samsom. For the rest of you, this specific one you use as a roll-on. So this is basically a natural roll-on. It's a rock. I don't quite know this composition of this, but this thing is fighting bacteria of note. So this is also a tamarind smell. You do get different smells like coconut, tamarind, etc. And you can buy it at any 7-Eleven or any supermarket in Thailand for between 30 to 45 baht. And this thing is working wonders. I think it's a natural product as far as I know. So, yeah, try it out. Natural roll on, and it's working like a bomb. Samsung, Thai tea, Mark Mark, Kap Kun Kap, Kon Thai.